Hi guys, Amelia Abel from New Horizon Lifestyle. How are you today? Let's talk about the next 10 years. Have you thought about what your next 10 years are going to look like? Have you thought about where you're going to end up in 10 years? Most people don't. Have you thought about how quickly the last 10 years have gone by? And are you happy where you've ended up? Would you have done things differently if you thought that a different decision, a different choice would have ended you up in a different location, a different place in life? Most people do life on sort of automatic pilot. They just roll with the punches and just end up where they are. They're on some kind of loose trajectory of some kind of career path, and they end up where they end up, and hopefully there's been enough promotions to satisfy that need to achieve something, pay rises, etc. But have a look at the last 10 years and tell me whether you've really been happy, satisfied and fulfilled. Do you feel fulfilled now? Do you feel like you're living a life with purpose and meaning? If you're not, then the good news is you can change that, and the next 10 years will make a huge difference. Let me tell you one thing, the next 10 years will go very fast. And let me tell you another thing, it's your choice as to where you end up.